yun, mabuti na lang na healthy si JJ and si Eric, and they were able to play today, and I think we just shot very well tonight, and we just shot very well tonight, and but you know, you like to be up 3-2, but we know what San Miguel's capable of. You know, what's San Miguel's capable of doing, and we hope we can play better on Wednesday.
Coach, halftime sabi ni Lanelis, the biggest motivation daw nila, hindi na magpa-practice sa first day.
Hindi ko alam. Siguro sariling motivation niya yan, na para sa kanya, bibigyan na niya lahat ng makakaya niya para hindi na sila mag-practice ng Webes. Siguro personal motivation na sa sarili niya. Hindi, wala akong sinasabing gano'n. Ako lang, basta sinasabi ko lang sa kanila is ano lang na ibigay lang natin lahat ng makakaya natin sa tuwing laro natin. Yan lang sinasabi ko sa kanila. Ganun talaga basketball. It's you know, trying to be as consistent as you can, and then trying to bounce back from a loss. Siguro sanay naman kami sa talo, so nakaka-bounce back kami. So yun lang, but of course alam natin na you know, after a loss, syempre gusto makabawi yung isang team. So we know that Wednesday will really be a hell of a game on Wednesday, in the sense that syempre lalabas nila lahat ng makakaya nila. Syempre kami gusto rin namin mailabas yung makakaya namin.
Sa redemption ni Noel, pagkatas ng 3 free throw miss niya,
yeah, I mean si David, yeah, I mean usually when pag syempre David is a, you know, is a competitor, and ayaw naman, he does not want to leave a bad taste naman na though we are all human, nagbintis talaga siya ng foul shot. Syempre gusto naman niya makabawi dun sa ganung klaseng, you know, pagkatalo. And he made up for it really. Playing an all-around performance, and you know, I'd like to thank David that, you know, he gave up a summer league stint with the New York Knicks to stay, and you know, try to do the best he can to win us a championship. Yeah. So I thank David for staying.
Kailan niya mo? Kailan tuloy yung offer?
Actually, biglaan eh. I don't remember the dates, pero parang Saturday yata or Sunday. Biglaan. Biglaan.
After niya mag-miss ng 3 free throws?
Actually, yeah, after that one, kasi ang nangyari nun, nagtagal-tagal yung liga natin di ba? So, siguro the agent already were in the works na after this conference, papunta na siya dun sa Summer League. Ang problema, nagkaurong-urong. So, the agent just told me na he has a stint with the New York Knicks in the Summer League. It's taking too long.
So pwede pa rin niya puntahan?
Hindi na, matatapos na this week yun So, you know, David being you know, a classy guy, he said, you know, I'll stay here, sabi niya gano'n, because I have to honor my commitment. Yun naman sabi ni David.
Talking about class, coach, apparently the mind games did not work.
I
Do
don't
you expect some more of that for Game 6?
mind games. I don't know. Hindi ko alam.
Do you play mind games?
No, I don't I don't play mind games.
Just expect that.
No, I don't. I just, you know, say what I feel. You know, I just say what I feel, and you know. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Coach. Congrats.